options on Interactive Brokers for beginners. Want to learn how to trade options on Interactive Brokers with ease? I've got you covered. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to trade options on Interactive Brokers so you can diversify your investments smartly. Step 1. Log into your Interactive Brokers account on the desktop or mobile app. Step 2. Ensure your account has options trading enabled. Check your account settings if unsure. Step 3. Go to the Trade section and search for the underlying stock or asset you want to trade options on. Step 4. Select Options to view available contracts. Step 5. Choose the type of option you want, call or put. Step 6. Select the expiration date and strike price that fits your strategy. Step 7. Enter the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. Step 8. Review your order, including price and estimated fees. Step 9. Submit the order and monitor it in your order's dashboard. Quick tip: before trading options, make sure to understand the risks and strategies. Start small and use educational resources. Like this guide? Hit the like button, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching.